This silver coated case has a beautiful patina. Let's start with stone washing. Beautiful scratches. And for the bezel, we're gonna need household bleach. Before, and this is after. And then sandpaper. Just the right amount of scratches. Now let's put the watch together. Done. I really like this texture on the case. And depending on how you age your watch, you can get completely different results. These two watches look completely different. Both of them have a stone washed case. This one on the right has a bit more scratches on the bezel insert, but not as much bleaching as this one. So it's really up to you on how you want to create your very unique watch. And as usual, this watch comes in a kit like this. And this time for this silver coated case, we paired it with a brown calf leather strap. Beautiful. This watch is powered by a Seiko and is one of the few watches that actually looks more beautiful as time passes. Do you like the one on the left or do you like the one on the right? Let me know in the comments below.